Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. Today, Nifty once again rallied further, another nearly 100 points, and Nifty is up 1000 points in last 2 weeks. If you can remember, on last month expiry, on Thursday, the Nifty low was 19,223. Today it closed around 19,200. So it is a non-stop rally of 1,000 points. Out of the last 2 weeks, just only one day, market consolidated and Nifty closed 3 points lower. Other than that, on almost every day, Nifty was moving 100 points. And today, Bank Nifty went very close to Bank Nifty all-time high, just 100 points away. And then came a severe profit booking. Bank Nifty fell more than 250 points intraday in the afternoon, around 12 p.m. And then markets recovered late afternoon. And once again, Bank Nifty moved higher, but slightly closed lower than intraday high. But Nifty was more resilient. And today, IT stocks started moving higher, particularly Tech Mahindra. So Tech Mahindra was trading around 1150 few weeks before, and now it has shot up more than 10%. So it's around 15%. Today, it hit a high of 1300. And same thing with other stocks also. Axis Bank is doing extremely well. In fact, for the last 3 months, Axis Bank has been outperforming. And today, don't know what happened. All the auto stocks went up today. The auto index was the best performer today. And there was some news about HDFC Bank. There was some FTSE rejig and BSE rejig. And because of that, there was a report that said that about $50 to $60 million will be coming to HDFC Bank. So today is the deadline. So HDFC Bank was doing very well since morning. In fact, that has helped Bank Nifty to move closer to all-time high. So I said in the short term, Nifty may find resistance around 20,200, and that has already hit by today itself. And markets are too bullish, and this is actually not a good sign. Market, as I said earlier, it has to move slightly up and down, like 2 steps forward, 1 step backward, like that. And without any correction, markets keep on moving higher and higher. So as and when selling starts, so selling will be very ferocious. Means even a small selling can drag the market down so much because most of the people are holding long position. Look at the open interest. This month started with 19,000 put option as the highest open interest. Then that shifted to 19,500. But 19,500 is not the highest one, but still 19,000 is the highest one. But then the second highest one, but almost equal to 19,000. Now, 20,000 put option has more open interest than 19,500. So 19,000 put has the highest open interest. 20,000 is the second highest. 19,500 is the third highest. So that shows 20,000 is going to be a very good support if the market continue like this. Highest open interest among call options is at 20,500. So it's likely that 20,000 to 20,500 may be the range, but next week there are lot of moves. Number one, Tuesday is a public holiday for Indian markets, but global markets are open. So usually local holiday is actually not good. Assume that, Monday night US falls and Tuesday night also again falls, but Tuesday here we cannot factor in the Monday's fall in US. So on Wednesday it will be a double whammy. Same thing on the other side also. Assume that Monday US market goes higher, Tuesday also goes higher. Wednesday will be a big gap. Whether it is a gap down or gap up, so it's likely to be big. So that is one risk. And the second risk, although the government has announced the agenda for the special session of parliament, but still many people are skeptical. No, these things seems to be very, very small thing. Why the government is calling for a special session of parliament? So until the session is over, the people will be skeptical. So all of a sudden, if they bring some new issues, so this and that. That's the second one. And the third one is the Fed meeting. So Fed meeting, although people are not expecting any rate hike, and what is expected, Fed chairman to deliver a hawkish pass. He may not raise the rate, but he will talk very, very hawkish. So that is also one of the reasons why Nasdaq is not doing well. And last 2-3 days, Dow and S&P doing very well. Just now I check, Dow future is higher. Next week, one public holiday in India, special session of parliament, and US Fed meeting. So there are so many issues are there. But option sellers must be happy because, the number of trading sessions are less. Because one public holiday. So next week, 4 trading sessions. The final week, another 4 trading sessions. So only 8 more trading sessions are left. And also, Tuesday is a holiday. So therefore, Nifty expiry will be happening on Monday. So people who trade for very, very short term, so they must be happy. Monday, Nifty, Wednesday, Bank Nifty, Thursday is Nifty. But I do not know positionally who is trading. The option premiums tend to be very, very, very low. So if any small black swan event can inflict a major loss to the option sellers who are doing positionally in the very, very short term. Longer the time, so it's always better if you are a trader in options. One of my friends asked me just to give me one strategy. So maybe I'll tell you what is the strategy I've given to my friend. He bought 19,000 call option, one lot, and sold 5 lots of 23,000 call option. Again, I repeat, buying one lot of 19,000 call, selling 5 lots of 23,000 call option. So that is for December 2024 expiry. So December 2024, parliament election is there. So a lot of uncertainties are there. VIX may spike, a hell lot of things can happen. So therefore, no matter what happens, this strategy will give zero loss on the downside. There is no downside risk. The upside risk is only about 23,500. But anyway, I told him to do some smaller lots, not to put this money heavily. But the same strategy can be applied as and when the VIX spikes. And don't worry, VIX will spike above 30 just before election. So, but we don't know when is that going to happen. But in the past, as and when the parliament elections happen, so before the parliament election, the VIX uniformly crossed 30. So that is the time you will have huge premium. That is the time to do it. But now just for fun, I told him to do just one lot or 2 lots. So markets are still bullish. So anyway, it is time for party today. So not to talk too much. So we will see on Sunday in Dalal Street Week Ahead program. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio podcast. Thank you for listening.